Welcome back, y'all. So today I'm pretty pumped. A package arrived yesterday with something I've been waiting for a while. Today I'm going to be installing a truck organizer on the back of my truck. I've been using a tonneau cover on the back of my truck for a while now, which it's been good, kept the rain off, but this system that I got, it's called a DECKED truck organizer. And basically it's a drawer system that rolls out. And the cool thing about it is you can actually put up to 2,000 pounds on the top of this system. It's just gonna help me be a lot more organized, which is always a plus. So y'all come along. So first I'll show y'all what I have going under my existing tonneau cover, and then we'll get started with the new install. So here's what I've got going right now. Obviously, there's a lot to be desired, but this new system is going to help me get a lot more organized. Here's my existing toolbox. Obviously a little bit hard to get to everything. So one lesson definitely learned for those of you looking to get a tractor, definitely opt for pallet forks. I plan on buying some pallet forks. I did a couple of other things first. Definitely should have sprung for the pallet forks. Just a tip. Alright, so I've got space here for some rags. Here I've got my construction tools, basically house stuff, construction stuff, related stuff. In here I can fit all my power tools, my drills, my circular saw, my level here. So I'm loving how much space I've got now in here. Let's check out this other drawer. All right, so here I've got a hitch, I've got a toe strap, some gloves, a jack, air compressor, some more construction tools. This bag I use just to grab and go. It's got a lot of valuable tools for me. And in here, this has got toe straps, lug wrench, mainly stuff to get out of difficult situations. But so far, used this DECKED system for a couple days now, and I'm loving it. It is great. Up here on the top, you've got space to put straps, stuff like that. And that's basically what I've got. That's basically what I've got in all of mine. I've just got small straps in this section, larger straps in some other sections. And yeah. Well, thanks for joining me. Now I've got my truck set up pretty much how I want it. This is going to definitely help me get more organized. But if you like these type of videos, please hit the like button, subscribe. Y'all have a good one.